Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to split screen in Stardew Valley. So first of all, you need to have additional controller in order for this to work. You're going to click co-op. After that, you're going to go click on host. If you are hosting this, then you're going to host a new farm. After it will load up. Now all you need to change is starting cabins. You can either click on it or just go ahead and do people you will have. So for example, you're going to play with your friend only, and then you're going to select only 2. You can also go ahead and choose cabin layout, profit margin, and money style. And of course, you need to enter the name, farm name, and favorite thing. Now, the animal preference is only for the person who created it. And after that, you're going to click OK. Now you will see this option. You are now hosting a multiplayer game. Now, once you have loaded the game, you want to connect your controller, and as you can see, now you can select it. And you can select the gender, you can enter the name. Now you're going to click OK. And here you have it. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.